Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Online Curtain Store. So first let us extract the folder. You can see the zipped file is extracting and the folder Online Curtain Store is created. So let us open the folder. In the folder you can see the zipped files again. Let us extract these files: database backup, PPT presentation, project documentation and source code. So in the database backup, you can see the SQL file, which is the database backup file of the project. And in PPT presentation, you can see the PPT presentation of the project. And project documents includes all the documents of the project. In the source code, you can see the PHP files which are required to execute the project. So let us copy this source code and let's paste this. Let's copy this and paste it in C drive, in XAMPP folder, inside htdocs folder. Let us paste here. Now you can see it is pasted and all the PHP files are present here. Now let us open XAMPP control panel and let's start Apache and MySQL server. To run the PHP program, we need to use the XAMPP control panel, that is XAMPP server is needed. Now let us open the browser and type localhost source code. So source code is the name of the folder which is in the htdocs folder. So you can see the project, but you can see there is an error that is failed to connect to database. That is because we have not imported the database. So click on new tab and type localhost PHP myadmin, localhost / PHP myadmin. This is the MySQL database. Clicking on databases, here we must give the name of the database. The name of the database must be same as that of the database file whatever you have. Click on import and click on choose file. In the extracted file in database backup, you have the SQL file. Upload the file and click on go. So this might take some time to upload. It is depending on the data present in the database. So once it is imported successfully, you can use the website. Now you can see on refreshing, there is no error because the database is updated. So Online Curtain Store, this is a website for the customers to purchase the curtains online. Here the customer must log in and the new customers can register and then they can purchase the items. Admin is the one who monitors the entire website and admin looks after all the happenings in the website. So there are various branches for this website and everything is handled by the admin. Now let us first log in as admin. The admin must log in using the login ID and the password. On clicking on click here to log in, the admin's dashboard is available and under account, the admin can make changes to his account details. That is the name and the login ID can be changed, and under change password, here the password can be changed by the admin. In branch under add branch, here the different branches of the shop can be added here. To add the branches, branch name, address of the branch, city and state of the branch must be mentioned. Along with that, the pin code, contact number and the email ID of the branch must be mentioned. And also the map must be mentioned, that is the location of the store where it is present. And the status must be selected as active. On clicking on submit, the data will be inserted, and here none of the data must be left empty. Under branch in view branch, you can view the branch details. Admin also has the action edit and delete. Under add curtain, here the different types of curtains can be added, and to add the types of curtain, whether the standard or customized curtain is required or not must be selected, and then the type of the curtain must be mentioned. Along with that, description and the status must be selected. Once the curtain type is added, you can view the curtain type under view curtain type. Under view standard curtain type, the standard curtains can be viewed. Under view customized curtain, the customized curtains can be viewed. In add curtain, by selecting the curtain type, the curtain title must be mentioned. And cost of that particular curtain must be mentioned. Then the image must be selected. Then the curtain details and the specifications must be mentioned. And the status must be selected as active, and the curtain will be inserted successfully. Under view standard curtain, the different standard curtains can be viewed, and here under view curtain image, you can view the curtain image, as well as you can add more curtain images. Under upload curtain images, and click on choose file, you can add the image, and you can include the description for that particular image. The status must be selected as active, and click on submit. So the curtain record will be inserted now, and under curtain in view standard curtain, under American curtain, here you can see now view is 1, that is one image is present of that particular curtain. Under billing, the billing reports can be viewed by the admin. Under customer preview, the preview of the customers can be viewed, and under customized purchase, the different customized purchases can be viewed. Under view curtain detail, here the curtains purchased by that particular customer can be viewed. Under employee in add employee, here the admin can add the employees by selecting the type of the employee, either tailor or employee. Then the employee name must be selected. The login ID and password must be mentioned. Select status as active and click on submit. And under view employee, the employees added by the admin can be viewed here. The admin can also edit or delete the employee details. In feedback, under view feedback, the admin can view the feedback from the different customers. And under report in view purchase, the purchase details can be viewed, and under view customer, the customer details can be viewed by the admin. So now let us log out from admin and let us log in as the customer. In the home page, the customer can view the different types of curtains. It can be standard as well as customized. On clicking on any of the curtain the customer likes, he can view it in detail in different views. If the customer want to buy, then he can add it to cart. Once the item is added to cart, cart is updated and you can view in cart, and the customer can add the quantity in the cart. He can update the quantity. As the quantity is updated, the amount will be updated. On clicking on click here to check out, then the customer must log in to purchase the item. If he is not the existing user, then he must register. To register, he must click on the register panel and must mention the customer name, contact number, email ID, password, and the confirm password of the customer must be mentioned, and click here to register will register the customer successfully, and then he must log in using the login ID and the password. Once the customer logs in, the customer's account will be opened, and under account in profile, the customer can update his profile. Here the customer must make changes to their address, must mention their city, state, pin code and the contact number, and on clicking on update, the customer's account will be updated successfully. In my orders, the customer has not made any orders. To make the order, customer can choose the different types of curtains. In the available curtains, he can click on any of the curtains which he wants to purchase. So on clicking on add to cart, the item will be added to cart. Once the item is added to cart, he can update the quantity and the cost will be updated and continue to check out. Here he can make changes to his billing address as well as the payment. So the payment type must be selected and the card holder's name, the card number must be mentioned. The expiry date of the card also must be mentioned, and the CVV number of the card is needed. On clicking on place order, the customer's order will be placed successfully and he can view the bill from, and it includes the from and to address as well as the order tracking. You can see that the order is processed and the delivery status is pending. This bill can be printed by the customer. Now let us view in my orders. Here in view billing, you can view the customer's orders and here the updation can be viewed. So let us log out from customer and let us log in as admin now. The admin will log in using the admin ID, that is login ID and password. Once the admin logs in, under billing, in view billing, the admin can view the latest purchase of the customer, and now you can see that the delivery status is pending and there are different options to update the delivery status. Here the customer is updating it as delivered and you can see that the item is delivered successfully. Thanks for ordering message. Now let us log out from admin and let us see the customer window, how it is reflected in the customers window. The customers will log in using the login ID and password. Under my orders, you can see the delivery status there, delivery date is available. On clicking on view, here the bill is available. Along with this, the status of delivery can be viewed, that is the item is delivered successfully. And now let us log out from the customer. So this is about the project online curtain store. Thank you for watching the video. For further queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.